You have probably seen it online. A small, white and orange gadget that looks like a toy from the 90s. Someone holds it up to a garage door. Someone holds it up to a car. Someone holds it up to a credit card reader. A few clicks, a little animation of a dolphin on the screen. Boom! The door opens. The car unlocks. The internet goes wild. Headlines scream about a pocket-sized master key that can hack the world. It sounds terrifying. It also sounds kind of cool. But like many 30-second videos, the story is more complicated. Today, myth versus reality of the Flipper Zero. This device has become a symbol. For some, a symbol of how easy it is to break into things. For others, a symbol of curiosity and learning. The truth lives somewhere in the middle. The master hacker fantasy sells devices and spreads fear. Let's be very clear. This is not a guide to do bad things. We'll separate facts from fiction, what it can and cannot do. So, what is a Flipper Zero? Let's break it down simply. Imagine a Swiss Army knife, but for digital signals. A portable multi-tool for people curious about how tech works. It does not connect to the internet by itself. It does not have a giant supercomputer inside. It's simple radios and sensors in a friendly, pocket-sized case, designed to feel approachable, not malicious. Inside, several tools. Sub-GHz radio, RFID, NFC, IR. Sub-GH interacts with old remotes and openers. RFID scans common access tags. NFC, like your phone's tap-to-pay module. IR, like a TV remote, send and learn codes. Read, copy, emulate. Think of it as a basic toolkit for radio enthusiasts. A beginner's cooking set, not the most powerful tool for any single job. Experiment, see IR waveforms, read public NFC data. It's gamified, use features, the mascot evolves. A community shares discoveries and apps. Students, hobbyists, researchers learn by doing. Now, the claims. Dramatic clips suggest point-and-click power. A Tesla charge port pops open. A gas price sign changes. Cars unlock. Garages open. Captions shout, hacking a car with Flipper Zero. Short, out-of-context clips are powerful. They spread like wildfire. They suggest a secret power to bypass any system. Just point and click. It makes modern tech seem fragile. It fuels power and vulnerability, perfect for clicks. But it rarely tells the whole story. That Tesla clip often exploits a known feature, not a flaw. Old digital signs use unencrypted remotes. Any universal remote could do it. Car unlocks? Usually older fixed-code remotes, considered insecure for decades. Creators omit context. Viewers assume it works on new cars, buildings, payments. Myth builds one clip at a time. The truth is simpler and less dramatic. So, reality. What can it do, and where does it stop? It's very good with old, simple, insecure systems. Fixed-code remotes send the same signal every press. It can record and replay like a voice memo. It can read many tags, public IDs, but not the secret credentials, encryption blocks, cloning. Reading a serial isn't the same as opening a door. It cannot break modern encryption. Cards use strong crypto. No transactions, no workable clones. Modern cars use rolling codes. New, unpredictable each press. Replays won't unlock your 2025 car. Its magic stops where modern security begins. Great for showing why old tech is insecure, why we move to rolling codes and EMV chips. It can't bypass strong passwords or crack secure Wi-Fi on its own. It works on the past, not the present and future of secure tech. Modern crypto protocols remain out of reach. That's the limit line, and it matters. This part isn't flashy, but it's critical. Using a flipper comes with real responsibilities. The law doesn't care if it was just an experiment. Accessing property you don't own? Likely illegal. Controlling others' devices? Likely illegal. Interfering with systems? Likely illegal. Consequences can include fines and even jail. A crowbar is legal. Using it on your neighbor's door is a crime. Same principle. Beyond law is ethics. Scanning someone's badge without consent? Wrong. Messing with public signs because you can? Wrong. Respect privacy and property, always. Responsible researchers seek permission and report vulnerabilities, not for thrills or profit. You could wipe a card, disable a system, or disrupt critical comms. Rule: use it on your own stuff, or with explicit written permission. Don't send signals you don't understand. So what's it actually for? Plenty of positive, legal uses. Primarily, education, RF, hardware, cybersecurity principles. Buy blank tags, practice reading and writing data. Tinker in a safe environment. How many pros got started? Audit your devices. If you can record, replay, upgrade security. Consolidate IR remotes. TV, AC, receiver, totally legal convenience. In pro settings, use with permission as part of a toolkit. Check if simple cloning works, then fix it. Pen testing is under contract to improve security. Open source firmware invites community contributions. Build apps, 3D printed accessories, sensor boards. From mini games to IR plant monitors, the legal project space is huge. It's a launch pad to build, not a shortcut to break. Use curiosity to improve your world. One of its strongest features isn't hardware, it's the community. Users, developers, enthusiasts worldwide, forums, Discord, GitHub, thousands ready to help. Ask about protocols or features, learn fast. Stock firmware is capable. Custom firmware adds apps and features, from tiny games to signal analyzers. The device evolves with community creativity. But be careful, avoid malicious code or guides. Follow official communities. They forbid illegal discussions. Know the difference between diagnostics and breaking the law. Learn to code with the SDK. Design add-on boards. Join ethical cybersecurity conversations. The community turns a device into a lifelong learning path. Limits are baked into hardware. Small antenna, low power. You need to be close, often within a few feet. It only covers certain frequency bands. If the target is on another band, it can't even hear it. Like an AM radio trying to tune an FM station, wrong tool. Microcontroller power is limited. Brute forcing codes would take forever, if possible at all. Breaking strong crypto needs compute clusters, not a pocket gadget. These limits keep it a hobbyist educational tool, on purpose. Interesting enough to learn, too weak to endanger secure systems. Know the hardware boundaries to have a realistic view. It's defined by clear limits, both hardware and software. Let's bring it together. The myth says it can hack anything. Reality, a versatile learning tool with firm limits. Great for exploring older, insecure tech and the RF world. Not a threat to well-implemented modern security. Hype thrives on missing details. Real power is knowledge, encryption, networks, disclosure. The flipper is a first step, making abstract ideas tangible. A tool to help you learn, not a replacement for learning. Be responsible. Use it legally. Get explicit permission. Take courses, read expert books, join ethical communities, learn your local laws. Use curiosity to build and protect, not to break and disrupt. Technology is a double-edged sword. Be curious. Keep learning. Be safe. Be legal. Be ethical. Knowledge beats gadgets.